event. We're straight on now with our next fast jet display. This comes from the Gloucestershire Air Force, and Major Riat is your... Fabulous to see the Polish Air Force here in this 85th anniversary year of the Battle of Britain, in which so many Polish pilots served, and with a fantastic executive display. Swedish military called the 60M. This helicopter comes from the second division of the Swedish Air Force stationed at Linköping Malmö Air Base. So the end of the tap is... What a fantastic display. We look forward to having you back here for the Air Force later today. Before we get on with this next display item, an important announcement, if I may, that the use of UHF transceivers here on the airfield is strictly forbidden. We'd like to ask you please not to use. Takes in the major air and sea routes to North America. Ready to intervene. The location of the take off all. Followed by 10 seconds later will be 6, 4 and 5, and about section 7, 8 and 9.
Can you sit down, please?
100 miles, that's 150 miles an hour, the nose wheel from top of the runway, all the aircraft lift off about 130 knots. Arriving at over 400 miles per hour, you now see the aircraft start to collapse. Eight and 9 move left and right. So 6 and 7 split at the rear. Get your cameras ready for the colourful Big Vixen. This weekend are flying with HBO hydrated vegetable oil. Again, the smoke comes on from the left in order number 9. It's the 2025 Red Arrow. And in the second half, which is the more heart-pumping to eye-dropping part of the show, we operate in 2 distinct sections. Off to the left, you've got reds 1 through 5, known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. Off to the right, 6, 7, 8 and 9, known as Hannah. Keep your eye on Enid to our right. Is Flight Lieutenant Dusty Wales, known as Dusty. Dusty is the second year of the team. He's a mentally positive and he's also been a pilot with 41 Squadron, the Test and Evaluation Squadron, all based at RAF Fairford in Lincolnshire. Look directly to your front, you're looking for the nose lights of Hannah.
From the top right to speed on is ready. Clayton, Rich Walker. Tender 9 This is my fourth and final year on the Red Arrows. Before, let's take it! It's 6 times heavier than what you and I are on the side of the airfield. The blue goes to red, the red goes to blue. That's 60 turn control, red 7 looking for red 6. And there are a number of crews here today, either on our public relations centre or down by our aircraft, so please pop along, have a word with them, find out their careers in the area, and of course their roles on the Red Arrows. The smoke comes on for the Tango presents. Together for the 2025 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, it's the Red minimum time possible, avoiding excess side exposures. Now they've found their zone and they've been approached. Marshalling directions to PAL, talking forwards and down onto the landing site, monitoring to the height of the aircraft, and assessing the slope of the ground. Touching down now, if you look to the rear, you'll see our crewman on the ramp, Flight Sergeant Dave Sims. He was born and raised in Margate, Kent, and he joined the RAF in 2014 as Weapons Systems Operator. He's been on the Assurance Force since 2017. He's a qualified crew instructor with over 2,000 hours on rotary platforms. With their not work, occasionally work can be found on the goggles. Now riding into the roll demo with style today, we have members of the Joint Helicopter Support Squadron. Keep half an eye on that clock light to see just how quickly these enablers can work. The troops and clock lights on the aircraft now part of the solid transition. It's the defensive maneuver presenting the more politically protected towards the probable enemy. This gives the aircraft and helicopters the greatest chance of protection from any threats on the ground. The aircraft now turned away, I'll be climbing the aircraft up to return and provide some mutual support. Aircraft was airborne in about 4,000 feet, accelerating about. The airport had was replaced all sorts of platforms across all sorts of services. Of course, the RAF has taken over from the C-130J Hercules. Providing reverse thrust, bringing the aircraft on the whole put in about 4,000 feet.
Finishing off a really good demonstration of the Airshow from Transport Department 62 of the German Air Force, Lieutenant Pilot Colonel.
Really asked to record and the display thing for the internet display just yet.
Air Force from the 243rd Helicopter Squadron. Two examples, each announced sweeping.
I necessarily want to be blown around quite London. Certainly the time that I've been plucked down the North Sea during training on my dad, I was winked into the cabin, given a pump suit, and then taken back to dry land. Back to Riat 2025 in a very big anniversary season for them. And Maggiore Giovanni Lopresti is their commentator.
The rotation along the axis is performed with a missing right mount and throwing this down on the jump. Frecce, tricolori. Back to the left. 3. Gently around the axis and towards the side giant and little long about 200 feet. That was the vessel after formation. Okay, so why helmet on the part one is still listed?
fine. Good, we're up there. We said that the souls running after the information and picking up the flight school is going to show up. It's a series of here now. Between the soul and the speed. That's how we do to say thanks to all of you. Don't want to miss this opportunity for one. White and red, a giant circle in the sky, the last image of this flag before landing. Later, you do it last time. Then it's morning number 2. Left and that's all from us today. We thank you for your attention as we say, Grazie Fairford, arrivederci. Absolutely.
Air Force for the next race, in fact, a solo fast jets this time. movers after that absolutely surging Italian Typhoon display will be the French Navy Admiralty ATL2 getting airborne to go off the pole, after which we'll be seeing the final Italian display of the day by 14346.